I think I'm too dumb to make my own chord melodies.
No, you're just drowning in theory overload.
That's the same thing.
No, it isn't. You're not dumb. Just for once, play the actual chords and forget all the stinky theory.
That sounds amazing.
Yes, and you did it without drowning in jazz theory. So let's break it down again.
I'm listening.
Good. We're starting with the basic chord shapes like this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Then we'll learn 3 tiny voicings for each chord.
Oh God, really?
It's not much, don't let it scare you. Then connect the basic chords to those 3-finger voicings. And use that to harmonise any melody.
That's it?
That's it.
I hate how much I like that.
And here's the best part. We're not sitting there thinking, yes, 1, 7, 10, then 3, 1, 5, and then perhaps 5, 3, 7.
Thank goodness.
No inversions, no jazz theory, just shapes, fingers, and melody.
Proceed, Frog.
So here's the fastest way to learn this simple strategy. Just learn the major scale using one type of chord for each note. I call it diatonic 1, 6, 10. That's the first step. Easy enough. Next step. Do the same with 1, 7, 10. Those 2 scales are all the shapes you need. Not that much, is it? The last step. Now for each chord, play 1, 7, 10, skip the next one, play 1, 6, 10, skip one again, and 1, 6, 10 again. Finished. Next chord. 1, 7, 10, skip 1, 1, 6, 10, skip 1, 1, 6, 10. That way you get coherent inversions for every 3-finger voicing of the scale without actually ever learning inversions. We're basically just playing jumping thirds in the major scale, and we're only thinking 1, 7, 10, 1, 6, 10, 1, 6, 10.
That's actually much easier than I expected.
Yes, basic chord shapes connected to simple voicings guided by the melody. No jazz, my contribution to the universe, the best system ever invented by anyone.
It sounds great, and I think I understood it too.
Next, we'll map these voicings across the fretboard for a major 2-5-1 as suggested by one of my awesome Patreons. Thank you, Richard. See you then, and thanks for watching.
Take all of me.
You sound a bit like Billie Holiday.
Can't you see? I'm no good without you. Take my lips. I want to lose them.
Beautiful. That's what I imagine angels to sound like.
Take my arms. I'll never use them. Your goodbye leaves me with eyes that cry. How can I go on dear without you? You took that part that once was my heart. So why not take all of me?
Stunning, Froggy. Your voice is truly remarkable.